Hey there! If you're an immigrant in the US, it's crucial to know that the Constitution protects everyone in this country. Yes, you heard that right. Regardless of your immigration status, you have rights under the US Constitution. Let's break it down. First up, the Fourth Amendment. This one's about protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. In plain English, it means federal agents, including ICE and CBP, need probable cause to arrest you. They can't just enter your home without a judicial warrant. And no, administrative immigration warrants issued by ICE don't count. Next, the Fifth Amendment. This one's big. Everyone has the right to remain silent when questioned by immigration officers or other law enforcement. If you're detained, you have the right to legal representation. Now, unfortunately, undocumented individuals don't get a free government-appointed attorney in immigration proceedings. But remember, you cannot be forced to incriminate yourself. Then, we've got the 14th Amendment, which guarantees equal protection under the law. This means no person can be denied equal protection, and the government can't arbitrarily detain or deport people without due process. Let's talk exceptions for a sec. Expedited removal can happen to non-citizens who've been in the country for less than 2 years, but only in specific circumstances. And yes, CBP has broader authority at ports of entry and within 100 miles of the border to conduct searches, but they still need a reason to detain someone. Now, does a national emergency change any of this? Nope. The national emergency might expand government enforcement powers, but it does not override constitutional protections. Law enforcement still needs probable cause, homes are still protected from warrantless entry, and detained individuals still have due process rights. So what's the bottom line? Everyone in the US is protected by constitutional rights regardless of immigration status. Even under a national emergency, these rights stand firm, and courts can step in if violations occur. If you're confronted by law enforcement, here's what you should do. Stay calm and remember your rights. You have the right to remain silent, you don't have to answer questions about your immigration status, and you can ask for a lawyer. If ICE or police knock on your door, don't open it unless they show a judicial warrant signed by a judge. If detained, don't sign anything before speaking to a lawyer. And always ask, am I free to go? In public, at traffic stops, or at work, remember, you have rights. Law enforcement cannot detain you without probable cause, search your belongings or vehicle without your consent, or use racial profiling as a reason to question you. In court, don't speak to ICE without a lawyer. Do not volunteer information about your immigration status. And at immigration checkpoints or border areas, you have the right to remain silent and refuse searches of your phone or electronic devices without a warrant. To wrap up, always carry a Know Your Rights card, contact info for a trusted immigration lawyer, and proof of legal status if applicable, but never carry false documents. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember your rights. Thanks for watching and take care.